Okay, y'all, this is the Amazon unboxing, you all. I had to get this. I needed this so bad because the last one I had, it actually gave out on me earlier this year. So I had to go to Amazon and get another keyboard case. And this blue is gorgeous. This blue is gorgeous. It really is. So I just came today. It was due for tomorrow, but I got it earlier. Thank the Most High for that. Okay. So we're gonna take the picture off it. I always love to do that. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is how you turn your iPad into a laptop. Okay, so I'm gonna take my iPad and put it in my keyboard case. And I love this idea of turning your iPad into a laptop. I love this idea. Let's see how it fits. Perfect. Perfect. Snapped right in there. Okay, now what we're gonna have to do is get it turned on. We'll do that in the next video, see how it works. Nonetheless, that's the on and off switch right there. Okay, so I just had to switch that switch on. Now it is on, and we are going to see if we can connect this. Okay, so it's up. Now here it is, iPad keyboard. Pair. And it's connected. Yay! I am so excited to use this. I am so excited to use this. Y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you be notified when I'm dropping the videos. And the total of this product was $74.98. I'm sure I got a nice quality product. And always when I purchase something, before I purchase, I always make sure that I read the reviews before I purchase. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Let's see what else is in here. I'm sure the cord is in here. Manuals are here. Okay. Okay, so we have the user manual. Also, how to install the iPad. And this is a very economical way to be able to operate your business without buying a laptop. It's not only economical, but it's more portable. It is more portable. So here's the charger that comes with. Okay. It's a nice length, not too long, not too short. And plus I'll just leave it on the desk here overnight and charge, a full charge. All right, thanks for watching, y'all. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you be notified when I'm dropping the videos. Bye.